Most people talk about OpenAI, Google, Meta, and Anthropic as if they are four contestants entering an AI boxing match. ChatGPT enters from one side, Gemini from another. Claude arrives looking extremely responsible, and Meta brings an AI model that developers can modify themselves. But this competition is not simply about who has the smartest chatbot. Each company has a different history, business model, advantage, and vision for how AI should be built and used. But here's the real question. Are these companies racing toward the same future, or are they trying to create four completely different versions of AI? Let's begin with OpenAI. OpenAI was founded in 2015 by a group that included Sam Altman, Greg Brockman, Elon Musk, Ilya Sutskever, and others. It originally began as a nonprofit research organization with the mission of ensuring that advanced AI benefits humanity. Sam Altman later became its chief executive, while Elon Musk left the organization years before ChatGPT was released. OpenAI became globally famous by making generative AI accessible to ordinary people through tools such as ChatGPT. Its biggest strength is product simplicity. You do not need to understand machine learning. You can simply open a chat box and start talking to AI. Google comes from a completely different background. Larry Page and Sergey Brin founded Google in 1998, long before the current generative AI boom. Google already controlled major products such as Search, YouTube, Android, Maps, Gmail, and Workspace, while its research teams helped create several technologies behind modern AI. Google's advantage is not only its AI assistant. Its real advantage is that it can integrate AI into products billions of people already use. When AI improves Search, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, or Android, Google does not need to build an audience from zero. The audience is already there. Meta began as Facebook, launched by Mark Zuckerberg and his co-founders in 2004. Today, Meta owns platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. Its major AI family is called Llama. Unlike companies that mainly keep their most powerful systems closed, Meta has strongly supported open and openly available AI models. This allows developers, universities, businesses, and researchers to download or adapt certain Llama models under Meta's license. Meta's strategy is clear. Spread its AI ecosystem widely, integrate AI into its social platforms, and allow outside developers to build with its technology. Anthropic is the youngest of the four. It was founded in 2021 by former OpenAI researchers, including siblings Dario and Daniela Amode. Its AI assistant is called Claude. Anthropic places particular emphasis on AI safety, reliability, interpretability, and controllability. In simple words, it wants powerful AI systems, but it also wants researchers to better understand and control how those systems behave. Claude has consequently become popular for writing, analysis, coding, document work, and professional business use. Imagine these four companies as four builders constructing intelligent digital assistants. OpenAI wants to make advanced AI broadly useful through products people can easily access. Google wants to place AI throughout its enormous ecosystem of information and everyday services. Meta wants AI to become widely available across social platforms and developer communities. Anthropic wants to build highly capable systems while putting stronger emphasis on safety and predictable behavior. A practical comparison makes the difference clearer. A student may use ChatGPT to understand a difficult topic. The same student may encounter Google's AI through Search or Workspace. They may interact with Meta AI inside WhatsApp or Instagram, and they may use Claude to analyze a long document. These systems overlap, but the companies distributing them have very different strengths. A useful case study is AI distribution. OpenAI showed that a standalone chatbot could bring generative AI to the mass market. Google responded by connecting AI with Search, Android, and productivity tools. Meta used its enormous social media network and released Llama models for developers. Anthropic focused heavily on professional and enterprise adoption. The competition is therefore not only about intelligence, it is also about trust, access, ecosystems, developers, data, computing power, and business customers. There is also no permanent winner. One company may lead in coding, another in research, another in images, another in integration, and another in safety. Model rankings can change quickly. That is why building a video around claims like Company X is permanently the best would become outdated. The more important difference is what each company is trying to build and how it plans to deliver that technology. So, in one simple comparison, OpenAI focuses heavily on accessible AI products. Google combines AI with its global technology ecosystem. Meta pushes broad distribution and more open models, while Anthropic places particular emphasis on safe and reliable AI systems. They are competing in the same industry, but they are not following exactly the same road. Welcome back to the AI Studio, where we make artificial intelligence simple, visual, and slightly less painful. But these companies can build the world's most advanced models and still need one thing: your attention. So how does YouTube use AI to study what you click, what you skip, and what keeps you watching? And does its recommendation system understand your interests better than you do?